Hi, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Resurwreack Autos UK. Where today, guys, we're going to be doing some more work on this front end. Now, I know on the last video, I said we'll do some work on that silver one, which you can see there. I've got the glass for the side and the tailgate and all those kind of things. But the oil cooler is on the floor there, the second-hand one there. You can just see it. That's turned up. That turned up on Saturday. And do you know what? I just want to get this front end done. So what I'm going to do, I've decided to carry on with this one. I just want to get this front end done, get it all running, get it all, you know what I mean, up to scratch. And yeah, just push on with this one here, I think. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do, guys. I'm just going to quick crack on this one. We've still got a little bit of service to do before we put that front end on, the crash bars and the slam panel. Before all that goes on, there's still a little bit more to do with the automatic transmission underneath the sump for that. I want to drop that, get all the oil out, change the filter, and then yeah, fill it back up, and then put a gasket around, a new gasket that goes around the underneath as well. But I'll show you all that in a second. I've done these before on another video, so some of you might have already seen this, and some of you might not have. So that's the plan for today, guys. But again, before I get into it, really appreciate all the support. Doing the work on the back of the boot on this Fiesta. That 10-ton hydraulic ram, that body repair kit is so good. Like, it's such a great investment. It really is. Like, it's surprising what you can do with it. And I'm just grateful that I got it, really, because it's just a great little kit. And for I got it from Machine Mart, and I think it's like was it 180 quid? I think it was. You could get like a lesser one, which is like a 4-ton or 5-ton, but I went for the bigger 10-ton, and it just eases things out. So yep, that's what I did on the last video. But yeah, thanks for all the support, guys. Really appreciate all the comments and all the thumbs up on the videos. And don't forget, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, because yeah, we are pushing up numbers at the moment with subscribers. We're over 3.1 thousand now, so that's fantastic. Really appreciate it all. So that's it, guys. Hope you all had a great weekend, and let's just crack on with this Fiesta. So yeah, just quickly, I won't talk for too long, because I know a lot of you don't like me sort of waffling on about, and rather see me do fixing stuff and doing stuff. So the new one's turned up, or the second-hand part's turned up for the cooler, so I'm going to swap that over, and then I'm going to drop this pan underneath here. I'm going to drop that, and then we're going to replace it with a new oil filter and a new gasket, and then put it all back up, fill it back up with a new automatic transmission oil, and then that's it. The front end can go back on. So let's I'll set you up, guys. We'll quickly do that. We'll swap this over, and then we'll move on. So guys, yeah, as you can just saw there, I've dropped the pan and I've changed over the filter. So the new one is now in place. You can see it's in there, and you've got a wire that connects to it. I'm always a bit amazed that all these wires, you see all those wires and connections and connectors, they are all being soaked in oil. So yeah, I'm kind of always amazed about that. So yeah, just a quick update of what I did. So I managed to get a blade. Now you have to be really careful when you're doing this, and you have to keep it flat against the actual block, and then all you're doing is very, very gently, and I mean gently, you're just scraping away the old crap that's on the actual top part there, and the pan part as well. So all you're doing is very, very gently, is scraping it away. You have to keep the blade flat on it. Don't sort of tip it and stuff, and you don't want to dig it, and you don't want to go mad at it. You just want to do it very gently, and it takes it all away, cleans it up, ready for the next gasket. So we'll put this new gasket on like that, in the right order, and then we'll put it back up in that order there, like that. We'll put it back up, and then yeah, it's just literally fill it back up with a fresh oil. And that part is done. So yeah, I'll crack on with that, guys, and then I'll show you me doing that. So I'll see you in a bit. Right, okay, that's another job done when it comes to the service of this, this car. So you just see me there, put the gasket, new one up. That's been all tightened up, all sorted out. That's all finished. I have got some oil, automatic transmission oil, but I haven't got enough. So I've just give Euro Car Parts a call, and they'll be there here with me within the hour. So what I'm going to do is, whilst I'm waiting for that, is I'm going to just crack on with the front, just carry on getting this front end on. Let's get the rad pack on, let's get all that connected up. Let's get all the coolant back into the system. Let's just start putting this back together on the front end whilst we're waiting for Euros to turn up. And then we can fill up the transmission, and then we can get this running. Yeah, get this running a lot smoother. But yeah, first of all, I just want to have a quick tidy up. I've got gear everywhere. I just want to have a quick tidy up. And then, yeah, I'll jump into it, set you up, guys, and we'll get cracking with this front end. So there we go. That is the front, more or less done. I've just got to do a little bit more lining up when it comes to this Rad Pack crash bar, because what I'll do is I fitted it up like you saw with the jack, and then put the bolts in, and then once I need to put the lights on, and then I'll put the jack underneath again, and then lift it up, move it like left to right, up and down with the lights in place. But the lights need fixing, repairing, so I can't put the lights on yet. I'd love to do it right now, guys, but I can't do it. But apart from that, yeah, she's good. So yeah, I'll just I'll show you. I'll start her up. All the levels are pretty good. Just I want to take her outside for a run, really, before so really nice. Runs really nice, smooth, everything's great. So I think that's going to probably drop a little bit more on that coolant there. It's already dropping, but it's got some great temperature to it. There's no leaks underneath. I've got no leaks at all. I filled up the automatic, that's the dipstick there for the automatic transmission. It's just started to rain. I don't know if you guys can hear the rain. Hear the rain. Just started to hammer down. But yeah, anyway. So yeah, guys, I'm right happy with it. All the front's back on. It's all running. Yeah, it's at a service, complete service. So you see all that. Apart from obviously the belts, but the belts been done. And the oil, not oil, the water pump as well. I don't know if you could just see it. I ain't got a torch. It's charging. But you could just sit in there, and it's brand new. The bolts are brand new. The actual water pump's brand new. So that's a great indication that timing belt has been done and changed. So I'm quite happy to leave that as it is. So there we go. So that is going to be it for today's video, guys. But I just want to quickly turn this off. So I just want to quickly say, before we completely end today's video, this is probably going to be the last one this year, to be honest with you, before Christmas. The last one before Christmas. I might be able to get one in between, a couple in between Christmas and New Year. Don't know. Need to spend some family time. It's Christmas. I want to stay at home. I want to do, you know what I mean? I want to be with the family and all that good stuff. So I just want to quickly say, guys, have a great Christmas wherever you are, and stay safe as best you can. You know, be sensible with what's going on in the world, and then, you know, we'll make it into the next year. I do believe there's going to be another lockdown in the UK in January or February. I do believe that, because you know what we're seeing in the news and what we're hearing. It's just getting worse, and I don't, you know, people are going to want to spend time with the family at Christmas. It's just what it is. You can't blame them for that. I can't blame anyone for doing that. So, but stay safe, guys, wherever you are, and you know, we'll get through this, and you know, we'll definitely be cracking on in the new year, and yeah, just pushing along with these cars. So I really want to push along with this channel next year. I really want to sort of, you know, January, February, I want to bloody grab it, and then, you know, get some better cars. Don't just stick to Fiestas. Even though Fiestas are always going to be that bread and butter car, I'm always going to have something like that to sort of to do. And then I want to have a bigger build whilst I'm doing the bread and butter cars. So like maybe a BMW, Mercedes, Audi, cars like that, really, that you know, a little bit more high end. That's the plan anyway. Whether or not that works out, I don't know. But I'm hoping it will work out. So, but yeah, guys, look, I'm blabbering on. Just have a great Christmas, and yeah, we'll see each other in the new year. So take it easy, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.